Let's tell you in Mumbai what is happening, because there's some good news if you live in the city. Traveling between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai via the Atal Setu bridge has become significantly more affordable, with Navi Mumbai Municipal Transport slashing fares by over 50%. The revised fares implemented last week have already led to a sharp increase in passenger numbers on the routes. The fare for the Kharghar Mantralaya route has dropped from 270 to 120, while the Nerul Mantralaya fare has been reduced from 230 to 105. Now, the NMMT launched these two routes connecting Navi Mumbai and Mantralaya in September last year. However, the initial high fares deterred commuters, prompting the Transport Authority to reassess and lower the prices to attract more ridership. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me this morning to, of course, draw more perspective. Shweta, good morning. Major relief, unlike what we just saw in Karnataka as far as public transport is concerned. You know, one of the aspects of these numbers that have been slashed is very evident, because like we put that into perspective for our viewers, when initially it was launched, these were steep prices. Everybody wanted to take advantage of that infrastructure, but weren't able to do it. So do you think, you know, it's been taken in the good stride in terms of critical feedback, which is why we're looking at this move?
Well, that's right, Nivedna. In fact, this is a significant move from the Navi Mumbai Municipal Transport. That's NMMT buses. Now, understand this, that while we talk about Atal Setu, India's largest sea bridge, it was opened in a very highly anticipated manner that there would be larger commuters, larger footfalls. But unfortunately, we did not see, we did not actually witness that. Here we understand that now Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the buses which are run from them, have significantly reduced the fares. Now from Kharghar to Mantralaya, the route had earlier cost rupees 230, which is now at 120. Similarly, from Nerul to Mantralaya, the earlier cost was around from 205 to it is 130 rupees. So clearly the cost slicing has been done on a very good note, that commuters would be encouraged to take these buses, in fact more for the Atal Setu part. But again, who travels from car, it is not something very great news for them. But yes, it is encouraging people to opt more for public transport buses. In fact, it was seen by MMRD, the authority for the Atal Setu bridge. They anticipated that there would be larger commuters coming to the Atal Setu bridge. Moreover, they would be generating good amount of money after the toll. But that did not happen. But this is something, a good part, and this is a good news for Navi Mumbaikars, especially those who reside in Navi Mumbaikars. They can take the buses from Kharghar to Mantralaya, from Nerul to Mantralaya, and so on. There are 4 to 5 stops which are mentioned in the revised list, and the cost is quite effective now. So somewhere it is encouraging, somewhere it is supporting the commuters also to take that route. And this is the reason, in fact, why the NMMT officials had thought of reducing the prices. That would encourage more commuters to take these buses, and these buses won't go empty.
You know, as you pointed out, and we're also, of course, clearly looking at the visuals of that infrastructure. And when this was inaugurated, you know, both you as well as our colleague Shrishti joined us with that ground zero reports of this particular infrastructure. Just to draw perspective, Shweta, for our viewers who are not from the city of Mumbai, as to how much this really aids in terms of connectivity. We know traffic, again, is a huge issue for the city, and this was also made in terms of cutting that travel time. Having said that, with the boom that we're looking at now, also opens conversation for how better infrastructure is the need of the hour.
Well, that's absolutely right, Nivedna. In fact, when this was inaugurated in the month of January, some 2 years back, we understand that there were, a great time where people were thinking that, okay, we would be able to travel without traffic and without getting into the traffic congestion. And we know the traffic of Mumbai till Navi Mumbai. But what played a vital role is the toll tax. Now, commuters were not ready to pay about 250 rupees for a single journey in a toll tax. And now these NMT buses have, they have reduced their prices to half, which is a great move. But as you speak about the infrastructure, yes, this was the very reason why this Atal Setu was created. While the infrastructure was underway, we were reporting time and again that what is the percentage the completion of the work has been done. But once it was inaugurated in a very large
Absolutely.
manner. But the commuters did not opt for it because of the very reason due to higher toll taxes. But now this is a relief. I mean, this is going to be a good move from the public transport buses.
All right, it
And we
comes
hope
as a
that even
relief,
Mumbai,
Shweta, is what you
buses-
put in a nutshell. Unfortunately, I'd have to interject you there, but we'll keep coming back to you as you get us more perspective and voices on that front. The reason why we leave it at that